Hi, my name is Leroy Glover, and on this channel, we're going to explore useful words. In this video, we're going to share how to use imagery to affect your mood and productivity. Imagery is used to affect the mood and productivity of the human mind. Keep in mind that every image has an emotional response that affects humans differently. The use of imagery is a skill that can be learned by anyone to improve their life. We often use imagery for various aspects of our lives, whether it be to generate ideas, change moods, or create a visual representation of something abstract. For an example, an architect can use imagery to show what they are designing before it is built. Or a doctor could use imagery to show their patients what something looks like inside their bodies before having to cut them open. Imagery has the power to increase your productivity by giving you the inspiration you need to take action on your projects. Imagery can be used to positively affect your mood and productivity in many ways. Imagery can improve your focus, boost your motivation, and increase your creativity. Imagery is the use of visual imagery. It is also a form of communication that relies on symbols to express ideas and emotions through the mind's eye. When we see certain images, we create a mental response which affects our mood and productivity levels. Visuals are a powerful tool for connecting with audiences and boosting their moods and productivity levels. Imagery can affect your mood depending on the type of imagery you are exposed to. If you are exposed to images that invoke positive feelings, then your mood will most likely be positively affected. This is because these images trigger a strong response in the brain's invoking positive vibes with greater intensity. Imagery affects your mood and productivity. Images can make you feel more enthusiastic, happier, relaxed, or even more productive. Images are the most powerful form of nonverbal communication that invokes an emotional response in people. What is imagery? Imagery is defined as the representation of objects, actions, or ideas through the use of symbols, words, or other types of imagery. Imagery can be found in many different forms. An example would be that an author can use imagery to paint a picture for their readers. Another example would be using metaphors and smiling to convey meaning without having to say it directly. Imagery is beneficial because it helps people remember what they read better than if they just read plain words. Imagery also helps people to feel more engaged with what they are reading and take in information more efficiently. The efficient expert is able to help people understand what they are reading by showing them how it applies to their own personal experience and connections with certain things that are happening in the passage that they are reading. Imagery is the use of visual and verbal language to create meaning and understanding. Imagery can be used as a form of expression to form ideas or as a way to convey complicated information in an easy-to-understand manner. Imagery plays a powerful role in communication and can be used to inspire people. Imagery is a powerful tool that can be used to inspire you and others to greatness. It has been proven that motivation and inspiration cannot be attained without the use of imagery. The importance of using positive thoughts in your life. With the use of positive thoughts, people are able to better their lives and relationships. Positive thinking has been proven to be one of the most important factors in improving mental and physical health and a crucial component in achieving success in any field. Positive thoughts lead to happiness, which leads to more energy, which leads to better relationships, which leads to a better life. The importance of using positive thoughts is not just for your own benefits, but for your loved ones as well. Your loved ones will feel more connected when you're both optimistic and happy. It is the mindset of your thoughts that will determine who you are and what you do in life. Positive thoughts are what keeps us going on our journey through life. They are the fuel for our motivation, enthusiasm, and determination. Positive thoughts can be beneficial both to your mind and body. They can improve your mental health, physical health, relationships, career success, and overall quality of life. One of the most important things to do when you are living your life is to find the positives daily. When people find something that they enjoy, they often become excited about it and can't help but share it with others. Positive thinking has helped many people become more ambitious in their careers by helping them think positively about themselves so they know that anything is possible if they try enough. How you can improve your life by changing your thought patterns. Changing the way we think and the way we perceive the world around us can have a positive impact on our lives and those around us as well. People who are able to change their thought patterns and beliefs find themselves happier and more fulfilled. It'll take time and patience to change your thought patterns, and the outcome will be well worth it. Fostering new thoughts and healthy habits can be as simple as reading a book on the topic of your choice or setting on intentions to make progress in some area. It is really about what you want to change about yourself and then making a plan to do it. It is the human's brain's job to use all the information it gets, including thoughts, to help us make decisions. It is important that you are aware of how your thoughts are affecting your life. If you can recognize which thoughts are helpful and which thoughts are not helpful, then you can make a conscious decision to change your thought patterns. This will help you live a more fulfilling and successful life. Your thoughts are constantly shaping your life. If you want to improve your life, you need to start by changing the way you think about it. Lastly, nurture happy thought patterns. Consider what type of thoughts make you happy and embrace these types of thoughts in your future. I'm Leroy Glover, and I thank you.